Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about my project and research, which is low-cost module hotspot prevention detector. First of all, let me explain to you what is solar PV cell is. Solar PV cells generate electricity by absorbing sunlight and using that light energy to create an electrical current. Next, what is hotspot on PV module? Hotspotting is a common fault of PV module where a mismatched cell heats up significantly and degrades output power performance. As you can see on your screen, there are many faulty on PV module. But for this project, we are focused on hotspot fault, which is permanent and temporary hotspot. These projects are using converter circuit as a method to detect the hotspot fault. A converter circuit compares two voltages and outputs either A1, the voltage at the positive side, or A0, the voltage at the negative side, to indicate which is larger. The project was done because of the critical problem on PV module, such as a performance degrading event for the PV module, and cause stops of any light from entering the cell. Faulty PV module will work in a reverse biased manner. This causes the current output less than normal state of solar PV. Damaged cells will waste power, resulting in excessive rise in temperature and reduce PV module lifespan. There are many examples that can cause hotspot fault, which is soiling, leaf bird drop, snow, and potential future shading. These project is limit by using microcontroller. Arduino Uno R3. The main material. Solar panel. Dual low pump volt sensor module. LM30 to temperature sensor. The S3 to 3 to RTC LED. For arrangement. Converter circuit using op-amp and RTC circuit using the S30 to 32. For software, this project are using Arduino IDE, Proteus 8 Professional and Dev C++. These projects' objective is construct a hotspot detector circuit using Proteus 8 Professional software, design hotspot detector circuit using Arduino Uno, and compare and analyze the PV module using hotspot detector system. This is project's main diagram. As you can see, the simulation is done before the hardware development for the project. This is the project outlook. Let's get started. The recorded data will be processed in the converter circuit to analyze the condition of PV module, which is normal, temporary, and permanent, and display the data on the screen. The development software system simulation is final process of this research. The hardware testing is starting from both PV module output and proceed to converter circuit. Output is sending to Arduino, and data recorded by SD card by using data logger system. The data is transferred and rearranged by Excel and put in the hotspot detector created software. As a last phase, the result is displayed on the application. 3 condition is preparing for testing. Condition on measure PV module, which are A, no shading, B, leads temporary shading, and C, bird drop permanent shading. The project is tested by 3 condition, which is no shading leaves and bird dropped as a result. The pictures show result of 3 condition, which is normal, temporary, and permanent state. Based on the result shown in graph X1, One data is manually categorized into three common states, happen on the surface of the PV module, which is direct light, shadow, and plasticine as a bird drop. The recommendations for the future related project is to provide an IoT display with power switch. Could be added to the system for the convenience of user and better lifespan, compared to an SD card recorded that's stuck on the hotspot detector system. A software interface then can be direct, receive the data to the microcontroller. Is very convenient and easier to turn. Monitoring the faulty PV module. The data from hotspot detector system also can be required easily. Thank you for listening.